Condition of probability. When the probability of occurrence of any event is 0, then this type of event is called an impossible event. Let's understand this from an example. Example: what is the probability of getting the number 8 when a single dice is thrown? Solution: we know that on throwing any dice, the total possible outcomes are 6. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Since there is no digit numbered 8 on any face of the dice, so no favorable outcome will come as 8. In other words, it is impossible to get 8 when throwing the dice once. Therefore, probability of getting 8 is equal to 0 divided by 6 is equal to 0. If occurrence of an event is certain, then its probability is 1. Such an event is called a certain event. Let's understand it with an example. Example: what is the probability of occurrence of a number less than 7 on throwing a dice? Solution: we know that all the faces of the dice is marked less than 7. Then it is certain that on throwing a dice, a number less than 7 will always occur. So, the occurring of favorable outcomes will be equal to all the outcomes occurring, which will be 6. Therefore, probability of E is equal to P less than 7 is equal to 6 by 6 is equal to 1.